Hello everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial today and let's get started. Today I'm sharing a really quick and easy treat holder. And our new catalog went live yesterday. Most of you probably already know that if you follow me. So you can now order out of the new mini holiday catalog. The reason I'm going to share this one is because this is a bundle in the new mini catalog. It is so adorable and super easy. If you don't think that you can make your own treat boxes, you're going to be able to do it with these. They're so cute. Look at these. Isn't that adorable? I didn't put a ribbon on this because I wanted to show you it's just as cute without even putting a ribbon on it. I did this one for Halloween, of course. It says Happy Halloween. I did this one for a birthday. And these are so stinking cute. And I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make it. We're going to do another Christmas one. I used cherry cobbler on this one. And I'm going to do it a little bit different on the other one. I'm going to use real red. And then look at how cute for a wedding favor. I just used our silver metallic cardstock, and it says thank you for coming, and then I just cut out the little ring. Look how cute the little ring is right there. You can also stamp the rings. I'll show you the bundle here in just a second. And then I just used the white ribbon with this silver trim on this one. Isn't that cute? This would be the cutest and simplest party favor ever, or shower favor, or your wedding favor, and just do them in whatever your wedding colors are. I think this would be, and it's so quick and easy. Just get your family to help make them, and you'll have them out in no time. They're adorable and very economical this way. All right, so this is the bundle. It's the little treats. So I showed you just about everything on here. This is the ring I was talking about. I've done a project using this little candy here, and if I can find it, I'll link it in this video. So I did the birthday, and this says a little treat for someone sweet, and I did use these two on another project that I did. And then it also has these and the little flower that you can use for Christmas. And then I use this little banner on this one. But look at these dies. So it is a one piece. It's one piece that you just run through. I just cut a piece of 6-inch cardstock. So it's the 8.5 by 11, but I just cut it at 6 inches. So we're going to do that, use that for this one. So I'm going to scoot these out of the way so I can show you what we're going to do here. And I'm going to use the little hat again, and I'm going to use, of course, the Ho 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 Merry Christmas. And I don't know, I may change it up a bit. I think I'm going to use this die as well, and maybe the little tag die this time. We might just do a little tag instead. I'm just going on the fly, but it's so much fun. It's so quick and easy. Just anybody can do this. So first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and stamp our sentiments in our little thing so we can run these through, run this through. I'll have to run this through and then run these two through, so we'll have to, so it'll fit just like that on your, but I just ordered my new Stamp and Emboss cut machine, so I'm super excited. I cannot wait to get it. You can order it if you are a demonstrator. You could pre-order it yesterday, so I did that, and hopefully it'll be here in just a couple days. And if you want to join my team, you can join my team as a hobbyist and just get the discount, or you can join as a business when you can make some extra money on the side. If you'd like to do that, you can contact me on my blog. So let's go ahead and get started on this. These are so cute. All right, and I'm going to show you how easy these are. All right, so we're going to run this one through first. So I'm just going to set this on here. I'm going to run it through. Those noises are always normal on the Big Shot. I don't know how it's going to be on the new machine. We'll see. So here's your box right there. How quick can that be? So then we're going to run through our dies. I'll go ahead and stamp it after we get these run through. So hopefully I'll be able to get them on there. I should. All right, and then there's our two other little pieces. The tag is super adorable. I love the tag. That's why I thought maybe I'd use the tag in this one. All right, let's set these off to the side. Of course, I gotta move everything when I do that. All right, so let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment. Let's use the real red, I guess. We'll make it monochromatic this time. Well, I guess I did on the last one too. So we're just going to stamp this in the center here. Look how cute. Fits perfectly on there. And then I need my Whisper White again, and we'll stamp the little hat. Hat is super adorable. I need to re-ink my real red here. And I forgot we need to cut the hat out too. It has the die for the little hat. So I'm going to do that off camera so I don't have to bring the Big Shot back out here. Okay, so I got that hat ready to go. So cute, isn't it? Look at that. If I had some puffy paint, which I don't have on hand, if I had some, I would put it on this hat. I think it would be super adorable that way. And I think I'm going to pop this up on here this time and use it as a tag. I'll just use a dimensional and I'll pop that on here. And then let's go ahead and put our box together. It's so simple. So I need to grab my bone folder. Just sharpen all your score marks. All the score marks are already made for you. And you're just going to bring these up. It has a little slit on the side. You're going to put this there in the slit, just like that. If you want to add adhesive here, you can. You don't really need to. I'm just going to use my Stampin' Seal Plus, and I'm just going to put some adhesive here on both sides. You don't even have to add adhesive to this. You can leave them, let them open like that, because once you have candy in here, it's going to hold that open. But I like adhering it. And you just pull those up. How much simpler could that be? And isn't it so adorable? Oh, I didn't get all my little things out here. But look how cute it is. I just love this one. I'm going to be using this for a ton of things. These are great stocking stuffers, and it's just fun. You can also mat it by just running it through you can run this through again on a piece of Designer Series paper, and you can mat it and then just lay it over the top. I was going to mat this one, and I did cut these out, so you can just lay them on top like that. And it would be an adorable Christmas one, but I thought it looked too Christmassy with this paper on it. So I didn't mat it, but you can definitely mat these by just running that through on your Designer Series paper. All right, so I'm going to use, this is another new ribbon we have. It's our sheer ribbon, and it's in real red. I'm going to go ahead and use this. The last one I used, on the Christmas one, I used this. It looked like little snowballs. So I used this sheer tulle ribbon, and I love this one as well, but I thought I'd just try something different to show you something a little bit different here. And I'm going to cut this long enough so I can make a bow, and then we'll slide on our little Santa hat here. You can make these in green, and the garden green would be really cute. I love the red because of the red hat, but you can use the ornaments for this. Isn't that ribbon adorable? It's so pretty. Love this sheer ribbon. This is also in our new holiday catalog, but it's super pretty. All right, and then we're just going to set that on here. And let me see, should I pop it up? No, I think I'm just going to use some of my Stampin' Seal Plus. You can use your regular, you don't need it on here. And we'll just add it to the front. But you can dress these up so much. But these are, just wanted to show you a really quick and easy, simple way to do these. So that's it. Look how cute they are. So here's the other ones. Again, I didn't put a bow on this. It's just as cute without the bow. So that is it. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop from my blog. This is the August hostess code. It is a new month. So there is a new hostess code and a new drawing for hostess dollars on there. All right, everybody. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.